Hi, my name is Tim Hoff. We want to thank you for your purchase of HangThis Up, my shed organizing system. What's inside the package when you open it, you're going to find a bag like this. Inside of that bag is a pack of fasteners and a drive bit that we send you for free to make the install process simple. All of your products will be shrink wrapped together inside of the box so that nothing is damaged and everything's pretty organized. You also find a little information sheet, gives you some instruction, and then a brochure that gives you pictures of all of our devices. The tools you will need to install your HangThis Up products are really simple. You're going to need a driver, a pencil, a tape measure, and then a framing square just to make the install as neat as possible. Now we're going to demonstrate the install of your HangThis Up products. The process is pretty simple. I encourage you to take a tape measure. Once you've determined the height that you want your devices to be at, I chose 16 inches, I put a mark, and then I take a framing square and put that on the mark and put a line across. That way, when you're putting the two devices into place, you get a nice level, neat, clean appearance. So now we're going to demonstrate installing these. So I line up with the line on the front edge of the stud, and then we drive the fasteners. As you're installing the HangThis Up devices, you'll see that they self-level when they're pushed against the exterior sheathing of the shed. Okay, once your devices are installed, it's time to organize your shed. It's that simple and it looks great. We want to thank you for your purchase of my shed organizing system.